Hi everyone! I just got out of my very last radiation treatment. So I'm going live right now so everyone can watch me ring my bell. Kind of shaking. So they let me keep my mask, which is pretty cool. I'll show you guys this. Hey everyone! This is my mask that they let me keep. I'm probably going to smash it to pieces tomorrow. So last look at the mask and then we will either smash it or burn it. I don't know. Hey, hi Aunt Mary Jo, hi Katie, hi Aunt Mary, hi Leslie. So many people. Say hi to Tom everyone. He came with me for my last radiation. Hi Zach, hi Clorian. Yeah, so once 2:30 hits, we have 2 more minutes, everyone's gonna hold up their bells and ring it with me. So whoever wants to join in on the fun, this is the conclusion of my treatment, so pretty much everything is done after today. I am so happy. I got this bell from the St. Jude's Walk, so I'm gonna ring this one. Aunt Mary Jo says hi to you. Glorian says hi.
Hi everybody.
We're just sitting outside my radiation center. It's really nice out here. Oh, there's some sun. So whoever wants to hold up their bells with me, we have 1 minute. Gonna not cry on camera. I already teared up a little bit as they brought me out of the machine before. All by myself, I was like getting emotional. So yeah, I'm so happy. Tom wants me to stand in front of the nice flowers and show you guys. The purple flowers. Purple's my color. And I'm wearing my shirt, Stronger Than Cancer. Okay, like 30 more seconds. Here we go. Thank you. Thank you everyone for watching. It means so much to me. Right now, in about like 10 seconds, there's going to be so many people all around the world that are ringing bells for me. So a lot of my family in Milltown. My sister is in France right now. My next door neighbor, Lisa, she's in Italy right now. And everyone is going to ring their bells for me to complete my treatments. I'm so happy that everyone is joining me on the celebrations. Alright, here we go. Ready? Hold it. Alright, on the count of 3, whoever's doing it with me. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Yay! Thank you everyone so much, and say bye.
3, 2, 1, go! Sending you lots of love from Milltown, New Jersey. Take it low. Chicken Panthers vibe. Yay!
Ready? Ring the bell. Yay, Em!
Hey, it's Brandon from the Milltown Energy Depot. She wanted to congratulate you for being cancer-free.
Great. Emily, Pastor Rich from St. Paul's Church, we're ringing our bell. Celebrate you cancer-free. Yay! Friends the whole time. Yay!
We're ringing the bell for Emily.
We're ringing the bell, Em.